Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to say thank you for coming in our presentation today. It's great to see you all. Today we will explain our presentation about triangle based on side link. But before that, I will introduce myself and my partner. First is Bayu Setiawan, and the second is Fadila Zahira Jian Mentari. The third is Aci Handonowari, and the last is Revi Vanessa Putri. On table of contents, number one is triangle meaning and number two is triangle pairs side length. Okay, number one is triangle meaning. Triangle meaning is flat shape bounded by three sides and has three vertices. Then for the base of the triangle is one of the sides of a triangle. Then for the height is a line that is perpendicular to the side of the base and pass through the vertices. They are opposite each other to the side of the base. Okay, number two is triangle based on side length. Number one is equilateral triangle will be explained by Aci.
Okay, thank you, Fadila. Okay, number one is equilateral triangle. In geometry, a triangle meaning is a triangle in which all three sides are the same length. In Euclidean geometry, an equilateral triangle is also equiangular, that is, all three internal angles are also congruent to each other and are 16 degrees each. They are regular polygons and therefore can also be referred to as regular triangular. Equilateral triangle have a four characteristics. Number one is has three sides that are the same length. Number two has three axes of symmetry. Number three can occupy the frame in six way. Number four has three angles that are the same size. The formula that applies in equilateral triangle. Number one is formula for the perimeter of an equilateral triangle. Number two, formula for the area of an equilateral triangle.
Okay, next. Number two is isosceles triangle will be explained by me. An isosceles triangle is a special type of triangle in which two of the three sides are the same length and have two equal angles. An isosceles triangle is formed by two congruent right-angle triangles which comprise the two sides of the same length. Next, okay. Isosceles triangle have four characteristics. Number one is has two sides that are the same length. Number two is has one axis of symmetry. Number three is can occupy the frame in twice. And the last is two angles that are opposite sides of the same length have the same measure of angle. Okay, and the next, the formula that applies in isosceles triangle. One formula for the perimeter of an isosceles triangle, and number two is formula for the area of an isosceles triangle. Okay, number three is right triangle, will be explained by Bayu.
Okay, thanks. Number three is a rectangle. You can see a picture in the side. Next, definition. A rectangle is a triangle in which one of the angles has a 90-degree angle that it is right and perpendicular. Rectangle have some feature. Number one, has one angle equal to 90 degree. Number two, has two sides that are two perpendicular to each other. Number three, has one slanted side which is called the hypotenuse. Number four, in a rectangle, the Pythagorean theorem applies. Pythagorean formula is if A, B, C are the inner sides of the triangle and a right angle at point C, then A square to B plus B square equal to C square.
Okay, number four is scalene triangle, will be explained by Revi.
Okay, thanks, Jihan. Number four, scalene triangle. Scalene triangle is a triangle in which all sides are of different length. So the sum of its angles still amount to 180 degrees. property of scalene triangle. Number 1, all of the three sides have different length. Number 2, a scalene triangle only have one rotation symmetry. Number 3, a scalene triangle has different angles on each interior. Number 4, a scalene triangle has no symmetry line. Next, scalene triangle formula. L equals set A dikali set B dikali sin theta, or L sama dengan half dikali A dikali C. The simple formula only can be used if the base area and height were discovered.
Okay, enough for our presentation. Thank you. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.